Hello friends, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time, welcome. I thought I would share some of my tips that I've formed over the years about starting seeds indoors. It's snowing here in zone 4, so if you start your seeds now, by the time Mother's Day comes around, which is when we plant, everything will be ready to go. So I'm planting some tomatoes today, some tomato seeds. And so what I did was I just got some regular seed starting mix or seedling mix that they have everywhere. You can purchase it anywhere. And I have some almost boiling water that I started on the stove, and I'm gonna moisten it a little bit, and this also helps sterilize it a bit. And I'm just gonna mix this up like this. It's not too hot to touch. I might add that you should probably purchase some of these cells. These are seed starting cells with a tray, the cells, and a humidity cover, which is adjustable. And this is what we're gonna do to start our seeds. So I'm gonna mix this up to moisten it a little bit. We're gonna attempt to start a humid environment for these seeds to germinate. That's the whole goal right now, is to keep them moist and warm so they sprout. And then after they sprout, that's when we have to worry about lighting. So I'm gonna take some of this dirt, it's fairly moist. I'm gonna put it in my cells here. Like so. It doesn't have to be fancy or fussy. It should not be packed down. It should be pretty light. Once everything is filled, you're just gonna put a little hole like this with your finger. And I'm planting some heirloom tomatoes today. They're called Pink Oxheart. This is a first for me this year. And so I'm gonna take the seeds and I'm gonna put 2 seeds in each cell. 2 seeds increases the chances of germination to about 78.32%. No, I'm kidding. Anyway, so just 2 seeds per cell. It could be 3 seeds, it could be 1 seed, but again, you just bloop them in there. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, and then this last cell here. Take care to save your seeds from year to year. When you're storing them in the off season, please store them in a airtight container that will help preserve them year over year. Okay, so there's a couple of seeds in every cell, and I'm going to just cover gently. I'm not packing down, just covering. And then I'm gonna put my humidity cover on. You can also pick up all these cute little picks that you can write the name of the variety on and stick it right in here so you can keep track of what you plant. So anyway, this is a seedling mat. You can also get these most places with gardening supplies. This will stay on for 24 hours, and your attempt is here to close this lid and create a moist, warm environment like these, which I planted yesterday. This is what we want. So in 5 to 7 days, this should germinate. When it does germinate, we will take the lid off, and that's when the light comes in. So stay tuned for my next video. Probably I'll show you what we need to do after the seeds sprout, and that's where the light comes in. It's really important. So come along with me. I will take you with me step by step until they go into the ground, and please subscribe to my channel.